What if I told you raspberries aren't always red? There's a rare kind that's yellow, and it's even sweeter. This is the golden raspberry, a special variety that you won't see often in stores. But what makes it so unique? Unlike red raspberries, this one has a genetic mutation that reduces red pigments, keeping it golden even when fully ripe. Not only is it sweeter, but it's also softer and juicier, making it super delicate and hard to transport. That's why it's rare. You'll mostly find it at farmers markets, and if you do, consider yourself lucky. And guess what? Golden raspberries aren't the only yellow berries. There's also golden strawberries, golden currants, and even golden mulberries.